Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This afternoon we will be showing to you how to use this Jade roller for our face. With me is my fellow teacher, Miss Jade.
Yan na oy. Kuha natin na.
We have just cleansed our face a while ago. We washed it.
And we use it any ordinary soap. It's up to you.
Yes, any ordinary soap will do.
So we have here, because we don't have, what we call that one?
Moisturizer.
Yeah, this is a mask, and
Yes.
because others uses what long the other one, the oil.
The oil,
Yeah.
the olive oil, the virgin coconut oil, like that. For us, we prefer to use this aloe essence mask sheet. We bought this from
Korea.
But we can also buy this to any
Watson's.
yes. So we are now going to use this aloe essence mask sheet.
And mine is milk.
Yes, mine is aloe. Let's try to open. You know what, Miss Daichi? I have tried this one once. Mine is an aloe mask sheet.
Mine is milk. So, and so there's some of actresses uses this one. So
We are going to try this.
Yes.
Look at this. It's so wet.
sticky, and it's good for your skin.
So this is now our facial mask, and we are going to put this
In our face.
along our facial line. So let's try. We might look so funny, Miss Daichi.
It's okay.
Do we still look like a person with this? Okay.
I love the smell.
Me
cold.
too.
The cold of this, mask.
Yes.
You can buy this anywhere in Watson's.
Oh no. I look like a performer on stage. Covering my face with this mask. Okay?
This is very good for your skin. Yes.
So we are going to remove this
After
15 to 20 minutes. So we have to dance while waiting for the yes. So we're done using our facial mask.
What are you doing there?
I know, we're
So
trying to
instead of using
massage
oil,
our
We
face.
prefer to use this one because
Yes.
in our own version.
To moisturize our
To moisturize
face.
our skin.
Yes, our skin.
So this is expensive rather than oil.
Yes.
How much is this, ma'am?
It's 54.95 pesos.
And you use this once only?
Yes, it's made in Korea. Look at this. Made in Korea. Okay. Oh. I like the feeling.
Yeah. That's right.
So aside from the facial mask, yes, we can also use the Watson's olive oil. shout out to Ma'am Aguirre.
Yes, our sponsor.
Yes, for recommending to us.
Thanks to her.
Yes, using this olive oil. So I guess, Miss Daichi, our face is now okay.
Yes.
It's well moisturized already.
Ready for?
Yes, and we are ready to use this. Yes. This is what we call as a Jade roller. Now we are going to show you, this is our own version, on how to use this Jade roller. Okay, so what are we going to do first? But before that, let us share also to you the benefits, no? When you are going to use this Jade roller. Okay, the first benefit is this would combat our wrinkles and fine lines, right, Miss Daichi?
Yes. So where is that fine lines?
Here, especially here beside our eyes. Yes. So they said that the proper way to do it beside our eyes is like this. What about you, Miss Daichi? How do you do that?
I will use this one, the small.
The smaller one. Mine, this one, as many times as I want. Yes. Not so strong. Just light. I have a light force of your hair. Like this. And they also said that through the use of this Jade roller, this reduces eye bags. Look at me, I have eye bags. You know, we have so many works to do in school, at home. Yes.
While reading our books, you know, as a teachers, we need to study also.
Yes, we're
While
like
reading
students.
our books, we use this one.
Yes, teaching in senior high school is really a challenge. Yes, so we need to read, study, and be prepared for our class. So that's why we have eye bags. Okay. So what do you think are the other benefits, Miss Daichi? Aside from this would reduce our eye bags.
It also reduces eye bags and puffiness.
Okay.
Puffiness.
Imagine that we are spending how many hours going to school and staying in school, and also when we travel from school to our home, right?
Yes.
So we have also those toxins. And with this Jade roller, this would help remove toxins. Okay, they said also, Miss Daichi, that beside our lips, here beside, so we have to do it like this. And also the other side. Okay. What about for our forehead? How can we do this?
Others do like this.
Yes, I saw that
Yes,
also.
and others do like this.
Okay. What I normally do is like this, one stroke, one line, like this. Okay, this is really nice. This drains our lymph nodes, right? And relieves stress and tension. Forehead, I have so many wrinkles. Look at this, Miss Daichi, I have wrinkles. You are younger, so you don't have wrinkles yet.
I have mamoy.
If you won't mind, may I ask how old are you?
By the way, I am 33
You're
years old.
33.
How about you, ma'am?
Oh no, I'm too old. You guess how old I am.
35.
Very good, Miss Daichi. I'm younger. But the truth is, oh no, I'm already 40.
Wow,
Yes.
40.
Yes, I'm 40.
You look younger than your
I
age.
am now.
You're already
Oh,
40, ma'am.
I look younger than
Yeah,
my
you
age.
look younger than your age.
You are really
ma'am.
my friend. Thank you.
Of course.
So we will look younger when we use this, right? This would help. Look at me, I
Helps
have
it also
eyebags.
dark circles.
Yes, this weekend I will use this. I have more time.
Reduces inflammation.
Yes, yes, inflammation.
And also rules out wrinkles.
And they said the best is this leaves a glowing skin like yours, and I hope I would also have a glowing skin like Miss Daichi. They said that this Jade roller also tones facial muscles, the muscles.
And can help with breakouts along the jawline.
Yes,
So
here beside our jawline. Look at me, I'm already 40. I have wrinkles this side also. Oh, you don't have it.
I have my
You're still very young.
No, I have yours.
Ah, okay.
And soothes skin.
Wow, I love using this. Huh?
Can relax also your
Yeah, I
face.
feel so relaxed.
So relaxed.
I'm happy that we are now free from our classes. And we will be going home. Usually at home,
Yes, ma'am.
you will use this what time? Before going to bed or
Yes, before
while
going to
watching TV or
Before going to
movies? Oh, okay.
Yes. I put some here like this, and then moisturizer, and then
Yes.
this one.
Wow. I'm so happy for this. I feel so relaxed. I hope that I will have. Yes. This
can
will
do this
reduce my wrinkles.
5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes. It's really nice. They said that you will feel it's what we call as
It also
coldness.
stimulates.
Yes, they said you will feel its coldness
Yes.
of the jade roller when you place this in the fridge.
Yes.
You've tried that?
Yes. You can also, it stimulates also blood flow and circulation.
Yes. Oh, I love this. We can do this while watching TV, reading books, checking our emails, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Chatting. The other hand is holding the cell phone. And the other hand is using or holding the roller jade.
And also, you can use this in your neck.
Yes, like this. It should be upwards, right?
Oh, it's collagen.
Yes.
Relieves sinus pressure.
Yes, that's right. Oh, I really love the feeling.
Increase circulation. Reduce inflammation. Improve elasticity.
Yes, I love this increased circulation.
Stimulate lymphatic drainage. Relieve tension.
That's right.
And leaves a glowing skin.
And of course, this would improve our face elasticity. Here, like that. Oh, it's really nice. You know what? If only my face can speak. Yes, my face would say, "Thank you so much for taking care of me."
Yes.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So sometimes we should spare time for our
Take good care of our
taking
face.
good care of our face. See?
For us
I'm now
to
40 and you are
33.
33, so yeah, yes. We still, I guess we still look young, right? See? You know what, Miss Dachi, I have wrinkles here. this side. So what stroke should I have? Should be upwards like this. And I have to do this for my forehead. Yours is upward. Mine is like this, side to side. Okay. So I think we're done, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So to let our face be relaxed, yes, we can also use moisturizer. So I would like to thank my brother who gave this Transcend's 24-hour moisture soft cream. So we can use this. Yes.
Moisturizer.
So we have to use with little force, not the pointer, but we can have the fingers here, but not
The right
pointer.
thing to apply.
Yes.
Use your this one. What do you call this one?
The ring finger like this, and this one is a ring finger.
Oh,
I
I
usually
love
do
this.
like this, using these two fingers.
I love your moisturizer.
Yeah. I like the smell also.
Can we buy this in the Philippines?
We also have this in the Philippines. It's nice.
I think it's very expensive.
Maybe not. Wow, it feels so nice. I feel like so relaxed. So, Miss Daichi, I think
Yes,
we're
ma'am.
done.
Yes, we're done, and I think we look beautiful now.
Yes. Thank you so much for this Jade roller.
Yes, thank you.
So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
Till next time, bye.
Bye.